The true nature of reality as we know it is not understood by many. In other words, what makes us taste a strawberry to be strawberry? Why does it taste sweet? If you look at a painting on the wall, most of us are looking at the painting. But how many of us can see the canvas that it came from? When we look at the night sky, we see all these stars. But when do we notice the space between the stars? Listen to the music. Listen to the sound of those birds. The sounds are coming out of something. We're tuned into the sound, but not the space that it comes out of. If you can change your awareness and tune in to the space, and there isn't much space now, space. This space is alive, this stillness. Then there's the noise. But can you tune into the space, the stillness? If you look at the musical note, they are notes, but in between them there's spaces. And if they weren't those spaces, there wouldn't be music. So it is the most vital part to the song, to the sound, the space. If you look at your thoughts, if you go, there's a space between the thoughts. You wouldn't have known that there was separate thoughts if there wasn't a space between each thought. If you look into our bodies now, they find inside the atom, it's empty space. The distance from one atom to the other is like from here to Mexico. And as you go even smaller into dimensions of the atom, there's more space. In other words, it is the space inside of us that's allowing us to be what we are. Not the volume, but the space. There is the white on the canvas that you don't see. You see the painting. But if there was no white and it was just a painting, how would you differentiate? Now, what they've discovered in time in the scientific world is that this space that was nothing with something inside of it, it's the nothing that's actually in charge of what's happening to the thing. They call that the 0-point field. They call that the dark energy, dark matter. Because if scientists don't have a name for something that they can't identify, they call it dark. It's not very dark, it's actually very light. It is the navigating force between everything. And the ancients knew about this. They call that energy or chi or prana. There is the background where everything is being created. There is this perfect harmony. There's regulating, and the sun and the moon rising specifically at the time, the ocean tides, the trees growing. Everything has this perfect harmony. But because if we're 99% empty space, then all of around us is all empty space. Then we're just a conglomeration of 99% empty space. That's what the nature of true reality is. It's empty. It's nothing.